correct mileage correction for MB HU6 module chip R7F701403 via ACDP. Turn on the ignition to get the instrument panel on. Connect ACDP and vehicle OBD2 correctly. Open ACDP app. Confirm in the upper right corner that the ACDP device has been bound. Click Bends. Click HU6 ODO Module IC177 Mileage Correction. Click R7F701403. Click OBD Identify. Click Continue. Check if VIN and total drive mileage (km) are correct. Click OK. OBD Identify Info Finish. Click OK. Click OK. Click OBD plus ICP Reset Mileage. Click Original Module Reset Mileage. Click Step 1 OBD Backup Data. Click OK. Click Continue. Click Continue. Click OK, save coding data. Pay attention to the path of the backup file. The file name contains the date and time. Click OK. Click OK, save maintenance data. Click OK. OBD backup data finish. Click OK. Click OK. Remove the MB HU6 instrument module. Click on Help for Step 2. Connect the ACDP to the device properly. Click Step 2, ICP Modify Data. Click OK. Click Continue. Click Continue. Verify System Info. Click Continue. Click OK, save chip data. Backup file succeeded. Click OK. Prepare to obtain data from the server. Please keep the network open. Click OK. Don't power off or unplug when writing to chip. Click Continue. Modify odometer data finish. Click OK. Click OK. Install the MB HU6 instrument module back into the car. Connect ACDP and vehicle OBD2 correctly. Turn on the ignition to get the instrument panel on. Click Step 3 OBD Modify KM. Click Continue. Check if VIN and total drive mileage (km) are reset to 0. Click Continue. Click OK. According to the date and time, select the coding data ending with coding. Click Continue. Click on the mileage number and enter the mileage number. Click OK. Click Continue, reset mileage. Check the repaired mileage data. Click OK. Click OK. Check if the mileage displayed on the instrument panel is normal. Thank you for watching.